Now we will talk about how NDRI is contributing in entrepreneurship. We have one BPD unit at NDRI that is a novel and unique initiative for entrepreneurship development. We have the technical programs, and that technical programs is in available on our website. We have training different training modules for the production, for your processing, and also consultancy provision is also there. If someone is willing to establish his own dairy farm and also the processing unit, they can approach to NDRI, and our BDP unit will definitely help them to design a very good proposal for commercial dairy farm as well as for your processing unit. We have incubation center, we have testing facility at NDRI, outsourcing the hub, and how we can link our production with the processing. We are providing here the facility. You can go for the testing of the market, and we are also providing the IPR assistance, supply of inputs to stakeholders and users, like from where they can get the better feed, better machinery, from where they can get the credit, and also the semen, and you can call it machinery also in case of the processing. Means a complete set of um, design. We have designed in such a way all sort of informations are provided at one place in India. What is I would like to tell something about the business incubation. This provides services on marketing assistance, quality evaluation, research and development for business development, small scale entrepreneurs for setting up dairy farms, food and dairy processing units. This business incubation infrastructure we are providing here, space for office, then laboratory and complete processing line, and then the space for test marketing. We have this organizational set of this EDP programs. We have different EDP programs on commercial dairy farming, milk and milk product processing, and advanced training on packaging and value addition. Preparation of project feasibility report. This is very important because our farmers could not have an understanding how to prepare a project report and whether their project is viable, economically viable or not. And so our scientists are helping them to come out with this project feasibility report. Submission to bank funding agencies, assistant in getting the requisite regulatory license, test marketing, commercial launching of the product, etc. To provide a virtual incubating, formulate a core team to assist and the quality improvement and product diversification and linkage. We are also providing the virtual incubating. We have our virtual incubating. Those are in touch with the scientists of NDRI. Regularly they are consulting and we are providing the solution to their problems. Okay, friends, we will discuss about one success story of Andhra Pradesh, East Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh. And, and you can see one photograph here, Sri V.K. Nasim Raoji. He is a mechanical engineer by profession, but he opted to be a dairy entrepreneur. He has started this dairy long back after getting training from NDRI, and presently he has one commercial dairy farm, feed plant, and processing unit as well. And the total number of dairy animals in the farms are 375, 75 buffaloes and 90 cows are in milk. And production is around 1400 milk per day. They have developed an integrated farming model. I am going to discuss this. This integrated farming, here even I would like to inform you, even a single drop of urine is not going out of the farm without value addition. The output of one activity became the input of the another activity. Here you can see that dairy farms have two. One is main product, that is milk, and byproduct is urine and dung. That urine and dung goes to the dissectors, and from that dissector there is a biogas plant, and from biogas plant they have a generator producing electricity, and electricity is going to the processing plant, then gas is going to the for cooking purpose in the hostels, and whatsoever is left from dissector, that is celery in the form of solid and liquid, this fluid goes to the azola tank. They are producing the azola that is again used for feeding to the animals as a fodder, and green fodder. They are also growing the green fodder at their own farm, and in this way a complete cycle is there, and whatsoever is solid is left, that goes to the vermicompost and organic manure for their own field applications and to the other farmers. And even the floriculturist of Visakhapatnam, they are coming to their farm and getting the organic manures and vermicompost for floriculture. Now this milk, they are pasteurizing in their processing plant. Proper, there is a packing and packaging, then product manufacturing like ghee, butter, paneers, and marketing to the consumer from their own retail outlets. Let us discuss in detail. And the current scale of production uh, is around 1400 liter per day milk, and the processing plant capacity is 3500 liter per day capacity, and the remaining milk they are procuring from the market. Around 2100 liter milk they are procuring from the farmer. In fact, they have their own contract farmers. This firm is providing training to the farmers in back end, and these farmers are well integrated with this processing unit because they are getting a premium price of rupees 2.5 to 5 rupees over and above the market price. And the biogas plant is of capacity 600 to 800 units per day power generation. Then vermicomposting is around 180 MT per year. Organic fertilizer 320 MT per year. Compound, they have their own compound cattle feed mixing plant because now the cost of feed is increasing day by day. If the whatsoever the grains are available with you and you have a feed mixing plant, then definitely you can reduce the cost of this feed. Other activities like production of azola, hydroponics, and fodder cultivation at their farm. They all activities are well integrated, production with processing and then processing with marketing. These are some processing plants, packaging unit is there, and then pasteurized milk in pouch. They are selling the pasteurized milk in pouch, preparing the curd, butter, full cream milk, ghee, paneer, khoa, etc. Moreover, to get familiarity in the market, because ultimately that is the market which is going to pay you, and that they have their own brand name Mathura. Oh, they have retail outlets in East Godavari district, outside within the Tuni and outside that Tuni place, and they are selling their product from their own outlets. Means here they are curtailing the cost of marketing as well. Means if we work in an integrated fashion, then definitely we can enhance our profit. I will come to the profit. This is some photographs of the biogas plants, and there are 6 mixing tanks are there. Done is there in these mixing plants, and 80% of this is used as a household. This gas is used for cooking gas, and remaining 20%, only 20% for generation of electricity. I would like to mention here one thing. This Nursing Rao has an education institute in the campus itself, where there is a dairy farming, and there is a school and B.Ed college, and the gas, cooking gas is provided from this gas plant. Means all sort of requirements are being fulfilled and integrated with each other. These are some vermicompost. Vermicompost, they have tapped the market of the metros even. They are selling this vermicompost and organic manures to the floriculturists in the cities. They are paying higher prices even. And apart from this organic manure, they are using this manure in their own field. Means they are cultivating their fodder on purely organic, feeding no outside anything. They have their own feed mixing plant, and because of that, they are now calling it a organic milk because they are all inputs are organic in nature. And because of that kind of nuts, they are getting higher price in the market. We have also estimated the cost and income of this farm, and you can see here that the total returns annual benefits are around 43.99 lakh. Out of that, the milk production that constitute around 32 lakh, and sale of animal is 1.5 lakh. And here you can see the returns from the vermicompost and organic manure, right, is around 10 lakh rupees, which is around 9 to 10 times higher than the sale of the animals. Uh, Means we can say that if we are utilizing our byproduct properly, only and only then we can generate more income. We have to use our all inputs very judiciously. One thing, and another thing is we have to utilize the byproduct. If anyone would like to be a successful entrepreneur in dairy, then keep in mind we have to utilize our byproduct very properly, or you can say we have to. Second point is we have to have a market. How we can link our product with the market? We have to tap the customers, those who are willing to pay higher price for your quality products. The another success story of the women entrepreneurs around the NCR region, they have their own indigenous farm. I would I would like to introduce this is Milan Sharma. She is postgraduate and she left the government job and took training from India and now established the dairy farm. Purely indigenous dairy farm. Initially, they have five crossbreed cows, but presently pure indigenous cow, and they have their own market network in Noida, Faridabad, Gurgaon. They through their own sale personals. And the price, if we talk about the sale price, that is around 90 rupees to 100 rupees per liter. Amazon. And they are also selling and also utilizing this platform, digital platform like Amazon, and selling the ghee at the rate of rupees 1800 per liter. Nowadays, we have a wonderful opportunity for marketing and how we can contact with the better or premium customers. We can take the help of social media, and even with the help of WhatsApp group, we can exchange the our information related to your product, related to quality, etc. So these groups, another example is of RPH dairy farmers. Mrs. Priyanka Garg, she is professionally chartered accountant and having this commercial dairy farming with another two partners. They are also well qualified. Presently, they have 120 cows, Sahiwal cow, pure Sahiwal cow, and 160 customers. And here, one thing to be noted, they have not given any advertisement in newspaper and other things, only using the social media. and they have now 160 customers and selling their milk depending upon their location rupees 70 to 100, because they are targeting the customers in Faridabad, Delhi, Gurugram, etc. So their demand of cow ghee is very increasing. Even they are getting orders from abroad, USA. And some doctors they have demanded, because this indigenous cow ghee is good for health, and even that is being used to cure some diseases. All these direct linkages are being established with the help of social media platforms. Now we can see the potential of this electronic marketing and social media for the benefit, how you can say, capture the customers in the market. Now coming to the next story, we have another one FPOs. This is, I think, one of the first FPO in dairy sector, started in 2014. He has established one processing plant, and also having a contract farming at back end with the farmers, and with the front end linkages with the contractors, like some dairies, Ratan Dairy, Asand. This is a case of Haryana, and he himself is keeping updated with the R&D organization like NDRI and other departments also, like animal husbandry and financing institutions. Here, one thing to be noted, finance is very important. So we have to have a back-end linkages with the financing institutions, and there are some provision for subsidy also. There are different state government provisions are there, around 25% subsidy. Even in Himachal Pradesh, there is a provision of subsidy up to 33% in case of SC/ST, and around 20%, 25% in case of the general category. And how we can contact? We have a large number of networks available with us. Depending upon the cost involved, with your location, and to whom you would like to target, we can plan our marketing strategy. And this is one of the first IPO and also awardee at ICR level. He received the Best Incubator Award, and he has also participated in many exhibitions. This is one of the way how we can promote our product among the masses, and we should also participate in the exhibitions, melas, to promote our product.